Welcome back to In the Hunt trailers for Walkthrough Wednesday. Today we'll take Christophers POV and go through the 2023 Della Terra 292MK by east to west. This beautiful couple's coach features a rear living space with a large center island and lots of seating and storage. This unit is new, but hasn't found its forever home yet, which means it comes with full warranty. Camping is luxurious when you have enough room to cook a full meal, seating for all your friends and family, storage for all your goods, and a king-sized bed to sleep soundly at night. All right, let's check this unit out. Thanks for sticking around for another Walkthrough Wednesday. Let us know what you thought of the 292MK, and don't forget to subscribe so you get notified next Wednesday. Also, check out our RV walkthrough playlist to see what we've gone through already. We'll see you in the next one.